5 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Whisk the egg whites until they're nice and fluffy. Tip: put the end of your whisk to get all of the mixture off on the whisks. Upside down. Doesn't fall over.
So good.
Excited. The blueberry, the strawberry, meringue. Sort of like gooey inside, isn't it? Now we're going to decorate it around the edges with our extra peach. Shake a bit. Pour the lemon drizzle over. I love icing. This is my favourite part. I'm going to have a try. Magnifique. Have to get a brown bit of paper and put a hole in it. Then you have to crunch it all up and put a bit of water in it. Then you uncrunch it and put it on top of your banana loaf. Stop it. Did you know the fruit that is made to make chocolate is actually really good for you, but it's a bit bitter?